Keeping ueli up to date gives you access to the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update ueli safely, verify that the update was successful, and what to do if you run into any issues. So let's get started. Start by opening ueli on your computer. Open the Settings window or the About section, depending on your version, and note the version number that's currently installed. Yeah, this makes it easy to confirm the update later. Next, open your web browser and visit the official ueli website or the official GitHub releases page. Compare the latest available version with the one installed on your computer. If a newer version is available, download the installer that matches your operating system. For most Windows users, that'll be the exe installer. You know, it's always a good idea to download updates from the official source. Now close ueli if it's currently running, then open the installer you just downloaded. Follow the installation steps to update the application. In most cases, the installer replaces the existing version while keeping your settings intact. After the installation is complete, launch ueli again and open the About or Settings page. So check that the version number now matches the latest release. If it does, you've successfully updated the application. If the update doesn't install correctly, restart your computer and try running the installer again. I mean, you can also download a fresh copy from the official source, and if necessary, perform a clean reinstall using the latest version. And that's it. You've successfully updated ueli to the latest version. Keeping the app up to date helps ensure you have the newest features, bug fixes, and the best overall performance. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.